Hi folks, Heath Grossman here for your money wisdom question of the day. Today's question is, my mother hasn't done any estate planning. How can I help? Estate planning is an essential part of securing your financial future and protecting your loved ones. Yet, 56% of Americans still do not have any type of estate plan. If that number includes your parents and you want to help guide them through the process, follow these steps. Number one, start the conversation. Focus on the benefits of having an estate plan, maybe simplifying or maybe even avoiding the process of probate, possibly minimizing taxes depending on the situation, and really primarily ensuring that their wishes are recognized and followed through on. And this doesn't have to be complex. When we think about estate planning, this is not some giant conference room and conference table with 10 different attorneys, right? It doesn't have to be super complex. It can be straightforward. Number two, contact a professional. You want to work with a good, competent, experienced estate planning attorney. There's lots of attorneys out there that are a little bit of generalists. They might do lots of different types of legal services on any given day. I really would advise in the realm of estate planning to be working with somebody that is generally doing estate planning for the most of their legal practice. Number three, organize essential documents. Help your parents gather their financial statements, maybe insurance policy information, property titles, etc. Number four, focus on creating the basic components of their plan, right? A will, making sure you have a will, durable power of attorney, very important, and healthcare directors, which would be often talked about as a living will. Some folks might go down the path of a trust, and that would really depend on their individual wishes or maybe the family dynamic. That is a whole other topic of whether a trust might make sense for somebody. Number five, provide support along the way. Maybe offer to attend the meetings with the estate planning attorney, being another set of ears along the way, and maybe somebody that can take notes and just sort of help along the way, I think is very valuable. If you want to learn more about what goes into a comprehensive estate plan, watch our episode, What Are the Essential Steps for Estate Planning, by clicking the link in the description below. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, definitely give us a like and share it with a friend.